What's up YouTube? So back in the shed, and this week I'm going to be doing a weldy, grindy, metal working benchy thing. It's going to be pretty sick. It's going to take a fair bit of work, but I think it's going to turn out really awesome. And all the metal is secondhand or used or picked up from my old man's place. So if you want to stick around, that'd be really awesome, and I'll explain a bit more about where I got it all from in the end. Boom. Woo! Done. Alright, so all done now. Overall, really happy. I think it turned out great. Could have spent a bit more time grinding and welding and sort of working on getting it all looking perfect, but overall it works really well and is so solid. Like, it weighs a ton, doesn't move, which is perfect, exactly what I wanted. And so basically where all the steel came from was the top piece and the other sections that I welded together. Basically came from a chicken factory where I was doing demolition work, and I sort of picked and chose good bits to stash at my old man's house until I could use them. Maybe 4 or 5 years ago now, but he sort of uses some, I use some. It's all good, but yeah, so that's where they came from. And so yeah, basically it was all going to the scrapyard anyway, and they just said if you want something, go for it, and it was all cool. So that was sweet. And so basically the frame sort of section that was already done, was actually like the pallet, I guess you'd call it, that my table saw came on when I picked it up from Carbotech. It was all in one big box, and the metal was sort of what was like, yeah, the pallet for it. And yeah, perfect. And I only dragged it around for 4 or 5 years. Like, happy days. Yeah, that's nothing. Whatever. You know, I had it in my head like for 4 or 5 years. I've been like, yeah, I'll make a grinding, welding, doobie whacker bench thingy out of it, and it'll be sick. Like 4 years, but I finally did it. Yeah, overall, really happy. I think it's sick. If you want to check out Instagram or Mind Creations, that'd be awesome. Check out another video. Till the next one. Peace.